Can you imagine a world without our species? A world without humans, where nature thrives and is no longer abused, destroyed, and exploited in the wrong way. A world where the sea is without plastic, and the air is without pollution, and the nature is no longer deforested. So, a nature that would be like in this image. As you may have understood, today I'm here to talk to you about how humans affected the environment and how it tries to repair from the damage made. Well, but wait a minute. Now you will wonder, why I'm talking about this topic, why this topic is important to me. Well, you need to know that I'm a 14-year-old, and in only 30 years I will be 44. And I can already imagine the world where I will live. A world where the polar ice caps will melt, and so the sea level will continue to get higher. So cities like Venice and New York will disappear. A world where in some regions there will be some climate phenomena, where a lot of rainfalls, and it will bring a high number of deaths. This is a high risk for humans, especially for their health. And we can see already what it brings. In fact, in a lot of regions, there have been an increasing, on the lately years, about the deaths caused by cold and heat. A lot of humans died caused from the environmental response to our actions, and a lot of them will do the same in the future. Well, but I think that everybody knows how humans approach in a wrongly way with the nature. And I know even that everybody knows how to repair the damage that we done. So the question is spontaneous. Why humans continue to destroy their home, so nature? Well, today I'm here to talk to you about some particulars that can grasp us to new nuances. As Sherlock Holmes said, the details bring us to solve a problem, so the solution of our problem. But in this case it was different. He was trying to understand who it was the culprit. Instead, we know who is the culprit, is the humans. And we know even who is the heart. What is the heart of the huge problem? So, do humans understand the real importance of nature, our home? Well, I think that lately there have been some new little gestures that help us, even if in a little part, to solve this problem. For example, the United Nations General Assembly decided to put the June 5 as the Day of the Environment. A day where we try to raise awareness for everybody to trying to make some little gestures. Other remedies for solve this huge problem are the environmental associations such as the WWF. This association was established for trying to save the flora and fauna of the entire world that is threatened by the industrial development of man. There are even other remedies for trying to solve this problem, such as the nature reserves and even the international parks, that in the last years have been a real path for trying to have a world more ecological. Lately, humans have been investing high for the technology, and I think that humans believe that we could live without nature, but with the sustain of technology. Well, I say this because nowadays, if is coming out a new technology, humans don't wait and go to buy it, even though it costs a lot. but they think that it can bring economical profit. So they adopted. Instead, if we need to buy something that can help for our world, for our sustainability, and for the maintaining of our world, such as the solar panels and electric cars, cost a lot, yes, but humans think that aren't economical and so don't buy it, even though helps a lot our environment. Fortunately, governments of industrialized countries have been investing a lot on the control of the environment by using some renewable energy sources such as wind, solar and geothermal, which brings an energy that is clean. For last, if we want to live in an optimal way, we should be aware of both the limits, the capacities that our small planet has. The first one, the more important, the nature limit. So that nature can't be used in a certain number. So we need to have a lot of nature that around us. And the second one is the piece of our population growth. So that we should be not a huge population that recovers all the world.